Hello everyone! Today we'll be making avocado toast. It is really simple and really tasty, so don't forget to make it. For this we'll be needing an avocado. We'll split it in half and take out the seed. Then we'll be taking a fork and mashing it from the inside. Very simple, and we've got optional toppings to add in it. The basic stuff is basically bread slices and avocado. So here we add salt, half teaspoon of salt in the avocado. Then we'll be adding half teaspoon of black pepper powder and just mix it in the avocado. For the optional toppings, you'd be needing caramelized onion, about like half an onion I suppose. Then you can add scrambled eggs if you want, and the sauce that I'll be showing you later on. Very simple sauce, like 2-ingredient sauce. So here we've mixed the avocado and it's ready to go. Here's the caramelized onion. And for the sauce we'll be needing mayonnaise, about like a tablespoon of mayonnaise. And we'll be needing mustard. I'm using American style mustard, but you can use any of it. I'm adding half teaspoon of mustard here. And just mix it all together and we have the sauce there. So here I'm getting a toasted bread slice and putting the mixture, but like half the mixture in it, spreading it evenly on the toast. It looks really delicious and I think you guys should try it at home. Definitely try it. So here I've done the layering it out thing. Now I'm gonna sprinkle caramelized onion in it. So just a little bit, not too much. And you can add the sauce on top of it if you want. So here's the avocado toast ready to go. I hope you do try it out. It's really good for breakfast, as I told you. And don't forget to share this video, give it a like and subscribe. It is really actually tasty. Look, I even took a bite. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed.